Welcome to Entrepreneurial Edge. Today, we're diving into the daily habits of people who have mastered the art of saving money. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content to help you achieve financial freedom. The first thing you'll notice about frugal individuals is their attentiveness to energy consumption. They make it a habit to turn off lights, fans, and any unused appliances. It's a small action with a big impact on their energy bill. Instead of frequenting expensive coffee shops, frugal people brew their own coffee or tea at home. They invest in a good coffee maker and buy quality beans in bulk, saving a significant amount of money in the long run. Frugal individuals prioritize making a healthy and affordable breakfast at home. Think overnight oats, scrambled eggs, or a simple smoothie with ingredients they already have. This sets them up for a productive day and prevents spending on expensive takeout breakfasts. Frugal people are masters of meal planning. They dedicate time each week to plan their meals, often using ingredients they already have to minimize waste. By having a plan, they avoid impulse food purchases and make the most of their grocery budget. The backbone of frugal living is budgeting. Frugal individuals track their spending daily using apps, spreadsheets, or a simple notebook. This daily awareness keeps them accountable and helps them stay on track with their financial goals. When it comes to transportation, frugal people find cost-effective alternatives to driving. They walk, bike, or use public transportation, saving on gas and car maintenance while incorporating exercise into their routines. Frugal people have mastered the art of resisting impulse buying. They bring their own lunch to work and engage in productive activities to avoid unnecessary purchases. Frugal individuals are expert negotiators, especially when shopping. They haggle for better prices and understand that every dollar saved adds up. Frugal people have mastered the art of delayed gratification. They implement a waiting period for non-essential purchases, giving themselves time to think it over. This helps them avoid impulse buys and ensures they're spending on things they truly value. Frugal individuals are masters of timing when it comes to shopping. They look for sales, discounts, and special promotions, often using coupons. By being patient and strategic, they get the products they need at a fraction of the regular price. Before making significant purchases, frugal people compare prices from different retailers. They use price comparison websites and apps to get the best deal. They're also not afraid to shop secondhand for items like clothing, furniture, or electronics. Frugal individuals embrace the DIY spirit for minor repairs or home improvements. They watch tutorials, learn new skills, and handle tasks themselves. This saves money and gives them a sense of accomplishment and self-sufficiency. Frugal people are mindful of their entertainment spending. They seek out affordable or free options like picnics, free concerts, or museum discount days. They understand that fun doesn't have to be expensive. Frugal people are meticulous about tracking their expenses. They keep a close eye on their cash flow daily, not just at the end of the month. This helps them identify overspending patterns and stay on top of their financial goals. Frugal people value experiences and relationships above material possessions. They prioritize spending quality time with family and friends, knowing these connections are invaluable. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of frugal living. Remember, frugality is about making conscious choices that align with your values. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content. See you in the next video.